Gotta count. How many have we got?
A lot.
1, 2, 3,
Just three.
4.
No, it's just three.
Just three.
Just three.
No, don't touch me
JC
there.
right here. We got
God.
Titties over there.
Who's this tall Irish fuck? God damn.
Hilarious.
Is that Dave? Is that Dave?
What's up, everybody? We are at Speed Sports here in Houston. It's a beautiful day, a little crisp and brisk, but we're having a great time with Lone Star Drift. The Drift Week crew is here in full effect. No cars have completely broken. We're giving ride-alongs today. We're excited to get you guys out in the passenger seat, having fun with us, just getting to enjoy and experience Drift Week. So I encourage you all to come out. And for those of you watching at home who have never been here, you should definitely come. And for those of you who are not on Drift Week, you should definitely join.
All right, we are at the fourth stop, the wonderful Speed Sports Racing Park. Everyone is getting ready to get breakfast. We just did the track walk and everyone kind of parked their cars and posted up and took some pictures and some video. And here soon, we're gonna get into some driving, so it should be super fun. David Mesker, the man, the myth, the legend.
Hello.
All right, as always, before we get into the action today, I'm going to talk about yesterday. Yesterday was a chill day, and we had a party at Texas Tires and Parts. So Rudy, who owns Texas Tires and Parts, threw on like some karaoke. Our homie Alias was grilling for us, and it was a blast. We had brisket, we had music, we had karaoke, we had cool LED lights and a smoke machine. And a bunch of drifters just goofing off and having fun on a Monday night. So it was a really good time and the perfect little thing to get everyone together and just enjoy ourselves. How are you?
Wonderful. How are you?
Are you having fun?
I'm having a blast. Are you having fun?
Yes, I'm having fun. You gonna give me a ride?
Yeah, $50 you can ride for sure.
What about 5?
Yeah, 5 times whatever 50 is, 10. 5 times 10. Quick mouth.
C time.
C time. FD prep.
FD bro.
All right, I'm hopping in with Luke. I've been waiting.
Hi, sir. Sorry, yeah, no, I've been making you wait. Making you sweat for it.
Yeah, yeah.
No, I've just been, we had the ride along things and then everybody else wanted to ride and stuff.
Everybody was trying to hop in. I was patient. I waited for my time, and my time is now.
Yeah, there was a lot of pushing in.
Heck yeah, it should be fun. Yeah, if you're doing a solo run, you might as well go backwards, you know?
Yeah.
This thing drives past its max lock so nicely.
Yeah.
Just
It's a
floats
great
right
kit.
back.
Yeah. I was like, obviously a bit of foot brake in there
Yeah,
to help it float, but for the most part, yeah, just
that's awesome. Rudy, how do you feel today?
I feel fine.
You hungover?
No, I had a lot of work to do since we're in Houston, so.
Oh, so you're back to work already? It's drift week, bro.
I'm trying to stay out of the work, but everyone keeps hitting me up to have a shop in Houston, and I feel bad. So RK Tunes did a clutch on their car this morning, and I just had some paperwork to do, and now we're back here at the track. We're gonna hit the first lap, baby. If I throw it backwards, it's going to go into second. I'm not going to dig out a third backward.
Don't throw it backwards.
I want to throw it backwards. You just want me to use all my tires.
I want to see Rudy run third for the whole course, but he don't want to run third.
Man, you're a dickhead. You hear that third? It's not happening.
There we go. Oh, yeah.
I can smell my clutch, you dickhead. You can smell that?
Yeah,
You're going to buy me a clutch. Lone Star Drift Channel better buy me a clutch. It was not happening. She was digging, though.
Yeah, I didn't like that second and third upshift at all.
Whose fault is that?
I mean, you're the one that listened to me, you know? Today's been pretty wild. Everyone's been absolutely jamming. I think everybody's just trying to drive as much as possible because we're only here for one day. And since it's such a slow course, it's so easy to get like really close and have rowdy tandem. So everyone's getting down hard. It's hard to just not literally film driving footage all day. I don't think I'm gonna do any interview style stuff today. But I am gonna try to hop in a couple more cars before the end of the day and keep getting some drone shots and some outside clips. But this is really fun. I'm having a blast right now. I'm gonna walk over to Wicknick, try to hop in Wicknick's car. Wicknick's just sitting in his car with the running. I'm gonna nag him, tell him that he has to give me a ride. Where's this motherfucker? Yeah, you owe me a ride.
Yeah. I might be off the suspension in a minute here.
Oh yeah, you got pulled off track.
Yeah, I got pulled off. We were in the middle of like a 10-car tandem. You know, you just got to go where you go so you don't get hit, and I kind of just had to go where I went. It was not on track.
Are you gonna give me a ride or
Let's
what?
go, let's go.
I guess we'll take the whole thing off.
All right. Oh
Could have
damn.
been worse. Could have been worse. Is that pretty good? A little more. More?
Can you get lower or no? Oh, that was good.
There you go. Yeah, that's good now.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's like new.
What was your favorite thing from today? Did you have fun?
Oh, I had a blast, dude. I had a blast. I got to drive with. Me and Fieldy had some laps, but my favorite moment of the day was whenever James Dean shoved me off track by putting his door all up in here.
In that fender?
Yeah. Well, you got the door, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Fender, I don't think.
Yeah, but this is like a pretty respectable.
That's money. You see the driver door?
Pretty respectable.
Driver door was better.
Was it James on both of them?
Yep. It was on the same lap.
Oh yeah.
Money. Same lap.
That's a respectful.
So this is the one he bumped me. I had a dirt drop from it. And he bumped me. I was already on the edge, and it's like whoop, and a dirt drop from it. And the other one was at the very the back section where we're like shut down drift. You know what I mean?
I hope someone got it on video.
Oh, we do. We have in-car footage. Super sick.
Drop it to me.
I'll drop it to you right now.
Hi.
What was your favorite part of the day? Did you have fun?
I had a great time, amazing time. In fact, this is the best drift week ever. I've worked on this car the least amount of any drift car I've ever owned in my life. Best feeling. Just had a great time. Probably my favorite part was definitely tandeming with Ben. We had amazing laps back to back to back. I did a couple backing attempts. I got one that was like decent, but I feel like I could do better. But overall, just tons of great tandem. Didn't crash, didn't break anything. Just burned one pair of tires. I mean, couldn't be happier.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Good
week.
Time for the next 2 stops.
Hell yeah.
Oh God. All right, guys, it is a wrap here at Speed Sports. I am in an extreme amount of pain because I ate a 1-chip challenge and I'm dying. Luke was over there throwing it up a second ago.
Hey, you pulled off a hell of a lap like a man, though. Good job.
Yeah, I hadn't driven a single lap on the track, and I pulled it off in Kevin and Brittany's C6Z06.
Yeah, he's never driven that car before.
Oh, he's going! Oh, man!
It was a blast, but I am dying. I'm in an extreme amount of pain, and this is going to be the end of the video. I hope y'all like this video because it's definitely going to be a lot of driving and some outside footage and all that because I didn't do any interviews or anything like that. But oh God, I don't know why my stomach's hurting so bad all of a sudden. It wasn't bad earlier. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Until the next one. Fuck me.